Oundle is a historic town that is located alongside the River Nene in Northamptonshire. It came into existence more than 1,000 years ago and has developed as a trading point for local farmers and craftsmen that were drawn by its proximity to a navigable river. Today, Oundle is a thriving market town with a vibrant community. There is a broad selection of local shops and services. A wide range of local activities take place in facilities that are easily reached by everyone. All this means that Oundle is recognised as a great place to live and work. Developers are building new houses to meet the demands of people who are attracted by the town's character and want to live there. However, there is a risk that this growth in population may change the very character that appealed to newcomers in the first place. The nearest major road passes just beyond the town's boundary. Most of the traffic moving into or through the town is local in nature. However, with the rising population, there are already signs of problems with traffic congestion, and this will get worse as the population continues to rise. Population growth is creating pressures on the environment almost everywhere in the world, but this can help us find inspiration for our own local problems. Transport is one of the key areas being tackled. Most road journeys in the UK are very local. It is easy to see that getting people to shift to car sharing, public transport, walking or cycling would reduce local road congestion. There is a choice for Oundle. Wait and see how these new developments evolve and live with the consequences, or recognise the current impacts of local population growth and take action to shape the community and ultimately to set a limit on the growth of the town that will ensure its character is sustained into the future. This in turn suggests two tangible ideas that could be applied in Oundle. One is a very practical approach to solve an existing problem. The second is a start of a longer journey that could shape the future development of the town. The practical idea is about reducing the traffic congestion that occurs at the start and end of every school day on Glapthorne Road. If a number of small changes could be made, this would make a big difference. Number 1. Optimise the routing of the school buses to eliminate the need for them to travel up and down the road at the same time. Number 2. Convert the Glapthorne Road footpath between the library and Milton Road into a shared-use cycleway. Number 3. At the same time, move the car parking onto the opposite side of the road and introduce brakes in the line of parked cars to make it easier for traffic to pass. Implementation will require some design work by cycle path experts and approvals by the Highways Authority. However, the result will be that it is less daunting and safer for travel to school or work by bike, so in return reduces the need to travel by car. The second idea requires a wider look at the town and actively shaping the way that it continues to develop. Number 1. If we want to encourage everyone to walk or cycle in and around the town, then we should limit all future housing developments to within a 1-mile radius of the centre, so that walking or cycling can continue to be a realistic option for all residents, for all journeys into the centre and around town. Number 2. We should make the centre of the town a mixed-use area, where there are only a limited number of vehicles, and so create a more relaxing environment in which to shop, enjoy the amenities, meet people and build community cohesion. Number 3. People will still need to get close to town by car. This can be supported by creating a one-way hub for traffic, which is within a short walk of the centre. In turn, this will make it easier to create additional road parking space on the hub, as well as add a new cycle lane. There may be alternative ways in which to shape the future, but the aim must be clear. We have to design the traffic system to accommodate some growth, whilst at the same time preserving both the environment and the character of Oundle. So, what next? We all need to get active and get involved.